Where's my hair?
Who, wah, woohoo, yee haw.
He must possess an element. Go Fanto. Yeah. Go Fanto. Go, Fanto.
Or sure sand, an intruder. Intruders are strictly forbidden in Geo's home of fitness and flawlessness. Rule number 1. Intruders must be exterminated. Take this trespasser.
Think. Sound element. Super special sound scream. It worked.
HM. Pretty impressive, I do say so myself. But not as impressive as my achievements, haha, loser. In order to train the flop that we all know you are, I'll give you a fraction of my power.
You're lucky I didn't use a normal supersonic scream. Otherwise you would be weeping in a pool of your own blood. Anyways, I appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Whatever.
Yes, I can see someone in the distance.
Okay, A, J, T, J, C, J, and D, J. Do be sure to be nice to each other whilst I work on the rest of Chubb's forest. And if any of you see one of your siblings doing something naughty, speak to me right away. I shan't waste time when solving fallouts. As much as I love those lovely little critters, they can be a hassle sometimes. Am I right, Tall Tree Tom? You're like a gumbo dispenser of wisdom. My friend, please enlighten me more often.
Hey you. Notice me.
Who the flower are you?
Never seen you round these darn Teuton parts. My friend.
Oh hey a plant pal. My name is Lido. Chit. Legendary. As opposed to my brother, Fanto. Crit. Legendary. But enough of him and more of me. Actually a tad bit more of his sorrowful self because him and I are in a redonkulous race. For a mythical mansion. Blah, blah, yada, yada, blather, blather. You get the gist. Anyways, we are legendary, so in order to get our powers we must absorb 1% of the other 8 elemental essences. We have turned the aspect of ourselves into sort of a point tally, but my brother is very forgetful. So he will probably only get 3 essences while I swoop in. And get 4, fingers crossed that happens teehee. Please be my 3rd essence so I can progress in this battle frontier.
Sounds totally reasonable, Lido. Can do. Now go win that prize. You deserve it. Tell your brother this desire can come to a temporary abrupt halt. I believe in you, dude. Go get that mansion.
Thank you. On the ground, my brother and I met at a crossroad, and we found a book with the power and name of every master. I believe yours is Deendro, so thank you, Deendro.